Hello, this is Jew, and hey, look, I got my Dremel here, and we're all ready for another Dremel review. And this review is actually prompted by, I went ahead and bought these little drill bits for my Dremel, not thinking that I really didn't have a way to connect them to my Dremel, and I will show you why. If I can actually open these things up. Okay, so I got them open. And you can kind of see, well, you know, the big one, if you take my little tool here, my little thing to open this up, and as you know, if you've ever used Dremels, you move this thing up and down, it opens up a little holder there, and you can open this up and stick it in, and this one fits. It fits just fine. But now, you take the smallest one here, and you tighten it up all the way, and that's as good as I can get, and guess what, it doesn't hold. So I need a way to hold these smaller bits. So the way you hold your bits is you got this little nut here, and the thing that opens in and out when you tighten this in and out is called a little collet. And so you could get different size collets. And I went ahead and purchased this collet and nut set. I didn't really need the nut, but it came with collets, so I'm good. This is number 4485 if anybody wants to look that up. And so let me open this package and see what we got. Okay, so I open these up, and again we have a nut which looks identical to the old one, so I have a spare. I don't think I need to replace this one, so I'll keep this one on. But you got all these different size collets, and here, let me show you here. And you can kind of see how the opening itself is from the largest to the smallest here. And I'm gonna show you how to insert this particular collet, this small one, so I can get that really small drill bit in. Okay, so again, we take our little wrench. Now if you've lost your wrench here, you could always use some pliers. And for most Dremels, you have this little button. Some of the newer ones or some different ones are a little bit different, so read your instructions. But for most brands, you just kind of hold this little button and kind of rotate it until it locks down like that, and that will lock the collet in place. And so you can kind of open this up and down. So you can screw it in and out. And the way you remove the nut is you just unscrew it all the way out. So be careful you don't lose anything, because here's the collet. And this collet just, it's a little tight here, but it just slips in and out just like that. So I'll put the nut down, and you can kind of see it's identical to the brand I purchased. So I'm going to slip this out, and then I'm going to put the smallest one in, just like this, slip it back in, and then replace it with the nut. Again, the kit came with an identical nut, so that's kind of nice. Push the button down while you tighten it down, and you're kind of good to go. So we're going to grab the smallest of these little tiny drill bits, and I'm hoping that it will hold on to this. So let me push this button in, back in again, unwind it a little bit, put it in, and then tighten it up, and sure enough, it is there, nice and tight. Okay, so there you have it. That's how you remove the nut and replace the collet. And I hope if you get these little tiny drill bits, you definitely need some smaller collets, and some other tools need various size collets from big to small. So I hope this video helped you out, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.